Hi, in this video I'll describe how to record screen on your Mac by its inbuilt screen recording tool. This tool, however, exists on Mac OS Mojave and later. To record the screen, you'll need to press Command Shift 5, and once you do that, you'll have this toolbar. And we have different options over here. So this option lets you record the entire screen at once, while this option lets you select a given portion on your screen which you want to record. And then you have a few other options. So over here, these options let you decide where you want to keep your file. And then you have timers, so they can uh, help you activate the screen recording at a few seconds later, which are specified over here. And then you have the microphone option. So you can select the audio source. If you do not want any audio in your screen recording, then you can select none, or you can select the built-in microphone or an external microphone. And then you have a few options over here. Show floating thumbnail. What it does is if you select this option, then a thumbnail of the screen recording you just captured appears on the screen for a few seconds. I don't find it particularly helpful, but you can have it if you like. And then you have remember last selection. So if you are capturing only selected portion of your screen, then this option lets the app remember your previous selection. It can be helpful if you repeatedly record one particular area of the screen. And finally, the show mouse clicks option. So this option, it allows you to show the user where on the screen are you clicking at any given time. A special effect is created at any point where you click. So that's all about Apple's inbuilt app to help you record the screen. I find it really good. And that's all for this video. If this video helped you save some time, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.